Welcome to Italia Conti Virtual. Please make sure you read the disclaimer before taking part. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for alerts on all new upcoming content. And have a good class.
Welcome to the Italia Conti Audition self-tape for ballet. We have Scarlett here who's going to demonstrate our first exercise, which is the Adage. So Scarlett, if you could take fifth position with your right foot devant in our ouvert alignment and not the croisé. So ouvert alignment, you've got a 4-count introduction to weight 5, 6. You're going to breathe on 7 and 8. Then you're going to développé devant in a facet in 2 counts. 1, développé devant 2 with the arms fourth in opposition to dégagé 3, close fifth on 4, bras bas, repeat to arabesque, retiré derrière on 5, extend to first arabesque on 6, change to attitude and your arm goes to fourth with the same arm up as leg on 8. From there you've got 2 counts to fondue straight into first arabesque 1, stretching out the arabesque 2, pas de bourrée under 3, taking off body en face on 4, then we're going to développé to second, knee up 5, développé to second 6 with the arms 5th, dégagé 7, close 5th devant, ouvert other side, repeat to the left, retiré on 1, développé devant 2, arms 4th in opposition, dégagé 3, close 4, retiré derrière on 5, extend to first arabesque on 6, attitude 7, same arm up as leg, hold 8. Into fondue arabesque 1, stretch it out 2, pas de bourrée under 3 to face on 4, big développé to second 5, arms through first to 5th 6, dégagé to second, and then close to 5th devant in our ouvert alignment again where we started. Have we got that, Scarlett? Good. And we breathe on 7. And 8, développé devant, knee back, heel leads, dégagé, close 5th, shift your weight, derrière, retiré on 5, extend to arabesque, and change to attitude, and hold that line. Fondue 2 counts, stretch 2, pas de bourrée 3, en face 4, nice big développé to second, 5, heel forward, dégagé and close ouvert, second side, retiré 1. Heel leads devant, a facet, dégagé, good, 5th, derrière, retiré on 5, extend to first arabesque, and then attitude, show that lovely attitude line. 2 counts to fondue, stretching out, pas de bourrée, up, up, face on face, last développé to second, lift, extend and dégagé, close 5th devant into the ouvert. Good girl. We're now going to set the pirouette enchaînement on. We have Ria here who's going to demonstrate. Ria, could you take 5th position, right foot devant, en face, arms bras bas. You've got a 4-count introduction to weight 5, 6, breathe 7, and 8. You're going to plier and take a relevé passé to 5th with the arms 5th, close behind, dégagé derrière, squeeze 4th with the arms 3rd, single pirouette on the into lunge, and take a breath as you pull up to close behind. Repeat to the left, relevé passé to 5th, dégagé derrière, plié, squeeze, single turn left, and lunge, take a breath and squeeze 5th, relevé, passé to 5th, dégagé, repeat with doubles, 2 heads, head, head, good girl, lunge, take a breath, and last time to the left, plié 5th, dégagé, squeeze your 4th, head, head, and lunge, and pull up, and close. Good girl. Have we got that? Good. Take a breath. Now good plié, relevé, up, squeeze 5th, dégagé, squeeze your 4th, and single up, land, lovely, pull up, and relevé to the left, up, squeeze 5th, keep the core engaged, squeeze, hit, lunge, good girl, and with doubles, relevé, strong, squeeze down, dégagé, squeeze your plié, strong relevé, head, head, lunge, good girl. Breathe and finish. Last time, releve up. Keep the core engaged and out, squeeze. Releve head, and lunge and breathe and finish. Good girl. We're now going to set the Petit allegro, and we've got Chloe here who's going to demonstrate. So Chloe, could you get into fifth position, please, with the right foot derriere facing en face. You've got a 4-count introduction, 5, 6, breathe, 7, plie, 8. You're going to take a glissade derriere, keeping the arms rabat, foot. Assemble over, assembling the legs in the air, arms small demi-second. Brava, then into 2 super saus, crossing the tops of the thighs, super saut. Good. Into glissade derriere, other way, arms brava. Jeté derriere, straight up, arms third in opposition. Into pas de bras under, opening the arms, bringing them down. Straight into the second side, glissade derriere. Assemble over, super saut, glissade, jeté, pas de bras to finish. And then we finish there. Have we got that, Chloe? Good. 3, 7, and join your legs, cross tops of your thighs and up. Good. Join the legs up in the thighs, glissade up and finish. Well done. We're now going to go on to the grand allegro, and we have Lucy here who's going to demonstrate. So Lucy, could you stand in dégagé derrière croisé with the right foot derrière? Arms demi-second, we're going to go across the stage. Think about your footwork on the in-between steps. We're going to do petit développé tombé, pas de bourrée, glissade, and a flick jeté. That's it, with développé, arms third arabesque, eye line up to the audience there. Step across to coupé over, then other side, coupé tombé, pas de bourrée. Glissade, you're going to put the brakes on, you're going to go straight up for a grand pas de chat. That's it, with knees back, feet underneath you, arms fifth, head up, landing fifth. Third crossing, footwork, stretch, tombé, pas de bourrée. Glissade, brakes on again, straight up, grand pas de chat. That's it, with the arms fifth, head up. And then your final crossing, tombé, pas de bourrée. Glissade and a flick jeté, third arabesque, eye line to the audience, and run off into the wings. And breathe. Footwork. Lift your focus. Good. Knee back. Yes. Side. Knees back. Up. And lift your focus. Up. And run into the wings. Good girl.